Guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I just wanted to talk about CompTIA's Tech Plus certification. Now I've been looking into this certification. This certification is actually the beginner tech certification. It doesn't require any prerequisites or anything because it's for people that are brand new into information technology. The Tech Plus is replacing the ITF Plus because from my research, employers was looking for something a little bit more hands-on. CompTIA decided to come out with the Tech Plus, which covers that aspect. From the research and everything that I'm looking into, it seems like it's a pretty good certification. Gets you really ready for that entry-level information technology job. Now, if you're brand new, I would definitely recommend taking it. Then I would recommend taking the A plus for sure. Then from there, it's up to you. You want to go on to do the Network Plus, the Security Plus. Today, we just focus on the Tech Plus. Let's go over some stuff real quick. For the Tech Plus, I'm gonna go through my notes real quick. There's some things that I really wanted to go over real quick, just so you could have an idea of what is going to be on this exam. So what it really covers and it focuses on is the core technologies and skills. The objectives include hardware basics, which is understanding computers, mobile devices, peripherals, software and operating systems, which includes Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile OS. Then you have networking fundamentals, which is IP addresses, wireless, and common protocols. Then cybersecurity essentials, which is protecting data, users, and systems from threats, and troubleshooting and support, which is solving common IT problems efficiently. Now, this honestly reminds me of the A+. It definitely reminds me of the A+, for sure. Technically, you could look at it as a bridge between the gap of ITF Plus and CompTIA A+, because we know CompTIA A+ is going to be a little more advanced than the Tech Plus. The Tech Plus, definitely, if the Tech Plus was out when I first started IT, I definitely would have taken it. Because I'm the type of guy, I'm going to be honest, I love learning from the beginner stages. I love breaking down things. Even up to this day, I will pick something and I'll just try to go back to the beginning. For instance, like a motherboard, I will go back and how was the first motherboard created? What's every single part? What parts that the motherboard have that it actually really need to work? What parts are just stuff like that? When it comes to resources to study for this exam, I have seen Jason Dion because I was researching some stuff. Jason Dion is the most familiar professor that I work with because, I love watching his videos. His videos have prepared me for a lot of exams. Him and Professor Messer definitely has prepared me for a lot of exams. When it comes to the professors that I'm familiar with, Jason Dion has CompTIA Tech course. If you want to study for the CompTIA Tech Plus, I definitely would recommend, because the way his learning strategy is, you definitely will understand and guaranteed pass as long as you put in the time and effort into studying. I would say that I did not check too much into the other things. I know CompTIA definitely has their own study material and stuff. I think it's Cert Master or something like that. They should have their own study materials. If you're looking for something affordable, you can definitely check out Jason Dion on Udemy. When I checked it, it was like $14 for the training course. The good thing about his training course, you go through the training course, he has a practice exam at the end of the training course. Then he has a separate bundle or package with 6 exams that you can buy. Usually the training course is like $14 if you catch it on sale. The practice exams is like $14, $13 or something like that if you catch it on sale. Let's say you spend about $30 something bucks on training material. The good thing about it is once you buy his training material, when a new version comes up and he updates it, you get the updated version without paying. I have my Network Plus and stuff like that got updated to the newer version without me even buying it. I open a course, I'm like, this is the new one. So yeah, guys, if you're looking to get into IT, this is where you start. I would tell you guys to go ahead and check it out, man. If you're trying to get into IT, Don't waste no time. Don't overthink it. Start studying today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.